So hello friends, before starting the video, I'm gonna recommend you that earlier I have uploaded a video about a Squid Game season 2, and if you haven't watched that video you can watch it by clicking on the I button. But today there is a new process, and as you know, there is a new movie uploaded or released nowadays, which is Final Destination Bloodlines, and there is some process in this video. And actually there are two processes. Like, first is to purchase a Netflix account, and you can just watch it there, or maybe it's not uploaded there too. But the right process is just to watch the video till the end, because I'll tell you the 100% genuine process how to watch it. And I am telling the word process again and again because I wanna tell. Now how can I tell you? Okay, so the first thing is there is a link in my description of my Instagram account. So here I gave so many things to my subscribers, and from long time I was offline, but now I have active on my account, so you can just go there and check out my highlights how to watch it.